Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. And um, so a couple days ago, really cool person on Twitter decided to show people that you can get pretty creative using Google Pixel products, right? So much into the fact that you could actually create a video a video vlog, and you would only need a Google Pixel phone, Pixel Buds as a wireless mic, and your Pixel Watch. Sometimes it's too smart for its own good. But like I was saying, you just need a phone, Pixel Watch, earbuds. You can get creative, right? You can carry a tripod with you. Maybe you want to go and vlog at the park or something like that. You can use a tripod, mount your phone, use a watch to start and stop recording, and yeah, the earbuds as a wireless mic. And you can get creative. To show you guys that the earbuds are acting as a wireless mic, you guys should be able to hear me continuously speak as if I'm right in front of the camera, even though I am walking away all the way to the other side of my bedroom. And that's the microphone picking up the audio. Paired with a phone that's currently shooting the desk, I can actually see my chair. I can see my desk. I can see, what's going on. Walking back over, I can see everything in shot as I am making this video. That's said for the longest time that Pixel phones are very helpful, but it goes far beyond just taking photos. It goes far beyond with the AI tools like Magic Eraser. It goes far beyond that. You can do things like this, and I'm sure Apple and Samsung have something very similar that you can do on their end. But I mean, come on now. There's still people still discovering what a Pixel is, what a Pixel phone is, its earbuds, its watch, its laptop, its soon to be released tablet, foldable. Um, there are still people discovering these devices, and nothing makes me more excited than seeing somebody say that they discovered Pixels and they ended up upgrading to one because I've been using them for years. Like this is my Pixel 4 XL. I still use it. I use other devices outside of them. Like I use Motorola, I use OnePlus, I use Samsung, and they're all good respectively in what they focus on. But you know, to get more word out, because there was a person on Twitter who shared this very idea and got recognition for it by you know, uh, Pixel on Twitter. But to show that he wasn't joking, he didn't do anything. I'm just shooting this raw dog right now for you guys, and you guys can see that everything is working all together, grouped together as a team. It's just the buds, the phone, the watch. Great, great. Couple of things I wish would happen, like for instance, YouTube. I really wish that YouTube would support using these earbuds when you're going live on your mobile device. That would be awesome. Um, because then, of course, wherever you set the phone down, you're doing a live stream on YouTube and you walk away from the area, kind of a good distance, the audio will still maintain without, you know, without sounding dimmer as you're moving away from it. Like I just wish that other apps, um, from the big G company, because I don't want to activate that again, that they would incorporate using Bluetooth microphone from your Pixel Buds into said applications. But hey, that's probably something they're going to be working on. But all in all, I just wanted to show you guys, demo this so you guys can see it for yourself on the different platforms I'm going to upload this to, that you could do this. And if you're an inspiring blogger, inspiring content creator, this could be something in your arsenal that can help you, especially if you're like me, who is a quote unquote fanboy of Pixel devices. You can really get a lot of benefit out of them. I'm just saying. Thanks for checking out this video. If you found it informative, smash the like button. And yeah, I'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.